Hello everyone, let's take a look at this LeetCode problem. So it's a log question, so let's take a look at the description first. So we are given two strings, first string and second string, and they are zero index and consist only lowercase English letters. We need to count the number of index quadruplets I, J, A, B that satisfy the following conditions. So there are four conditions. The first condition is and ij are the index of the first string, and ab are the index of the second string. And the substring of first string that starts at i's character and ends at j's character is same as the substring of second string that starts at a's character and ends at b's character. So they're inclusive. And we also need to make j minus a is a minimum possible value among all quadruplets that satisfies the previous conditions. So we need to return the number of such quadruplets. Okay, let's take a look at example one. For example one, the quadruplet is 0044. 00 means we pick A in first string. 44 means we pick this A of the second string. So there only one such quadruplet satisfies the above condition, so we return 1. For the second example, we find they don't even have overlapping characters, so 0. Okay, how do we solve this problem? You can pause now and take several minutes to think about it. Okay, let's solve it. And so the most important question here is, what's the length of the substring that has minimum and j minus a? Let's take one example. We have two strings, string 1 and string 2. This is the first string, this is second string. They have some common characters, L and K. We know for string 2, A points to L, which is fixed. For string 1, it has two options. It can match L with L. It can also match LK with LK. J is different. But we want to make J smaller, so J can point to L. So we can just match L, which means like the length should be 1, right? So since if the length is greater, the J will become greater, we can always make it smaller by choose one length. So this is the most important step here. And we know that we just match one character. And for second string, we know there are a lot of characters. Since we want to make this formula minimal, so we want to make A greater. So we need to record the last occurrence of each character in the second string, right? So we have a last occurrence map. It's recording the last index of each character in second string. Then we have two local variables, minimum j minus a and count. We just return count finally, and we need to maintain them. So I just for loop each characters in first string. And for that character, if it's also in second string, then we try to get temp variable j minus a. If this j minus a is smaller than current minimum j minus a, then it's a new minimum. So we need to update it and reset count to 1. Otherwise, if they're same, we find another one, so count plus plus. If it's greater than minimum j minus a, we don't care about it. Okay, so that's a solution. The most important here is we need to observe the pattern that we need to find what's the length of the substring that has minimum j minus a. It's 1. This is the most important step here. Okay, that's it. See you next time.